Any problems?
Nah, it's all there. I got Trey making Theo's collections now.
Still no sign of him?
Nah, no one's seen him or Emma.
Well, I'm not worried about her. She's not going to abandon the kid, is she? I know about that guy from last night, though. Who was a girl in the photo with him?
Oh, she's dead.
What?
Yeah, I thought I recognised her face. Story's all online. She'd been in the ground 2 months. Some home invasion up north. They reckon it was gang affiliated. She was home alone when it happened. And there was 3 of them.
And? What happened to them?
Hey, Dominic, go visit her.
Not now.
It's her.
All right. Take Lucy out to the car. Bring her up.